crossfire. It's caught in crossfire.
Know the feeling? So do we. In fact, 50% of active cyclists will have their bikes stolen. This is even worse for bike wheels because any thief with a wrench can remove your wheels in less than 30 seconds. Right now, you need to carry multiple locks to fully secure your entire bike. One for the front wheel, and another for the back wheel and frame. But this sucks, because who wants to carry multiple locks and then lock them every single time you ride? Don't forget that means multiple keys, locks, and all your books, binders, backpack, and laptop. The new solution to this madness is Nutlock. Nutlock provides one-time installation bike wheel security. This innovative product works by replacing the bicycle wheel's existing fasteners with custom-engineered ones that can only be removed with a unique key in your package. You install it once, and that wheel is now protected. Yeah, just one time. Nutlock helps you outsmart thieves by fully protecting against commonly used theft tools. It also removes the need to carry an additional U-lock or cable lock to secure your entire bike. Keep in mind, Nutlock only protects your wheels, so you do still need a U-lock or cable lock to secure your bike to an external object. We've custom engineered over 37 designs and prototypes to deter theft as much as possible. New variations are being created by the day, making it practically impossible for a thief to get his hands on all the different Nutlock combinations. And if you ever want to remove your wheels, all you need is the key that came with your package. Just throw that key on your keychain and you're good to go. Security has always felt good, but it's never looked this good. So grab Nutlock, lock your nuts, and celebrate by popping yourself a cold one. Cheers.
Bicycles are having a great comeback that seems to excite everyone, consumers and thieves alike. Last year, more than 3 million bikes were stolen all across Europe.
And the numbers of thefts are rising by about 8% each year. But the success rate in solving these cases is only between 2 and 6%. I am one of the founders of Troja Life Tracking Systems. In the modern world, we are surrounded by technology everywhere, and we found a way to use this technology to make this world a safer place.
But how to protect a bicycle? Our state-of-the-art tracking device, which was developed for government agencies, is the base of our Troja bike protection device. Our product can be tracked in over 44 countries by its owner. It's simple, unrecoverable, indestructible, directly wired to the authorities in the case of emergency, and offers several amazing extras.
The tracker is more or less the same as a mobile phone without a screen, which fits into a bike frame. We use a high-performance energy management system, so the battery only needs to be charged once a season.
SIM-on chip technology offers worldwide coverage and improves the overall traceability. The device is water and shock-proof. It covers multi-satellite support for highest reliability. 1024-bit transmission ensures a high security level. All these features can be controlled in one simple and mobile-optimized user interface.
Troja Bike is incredibly simple to use. You buy the device, you download the Troja Bike app, snap a picture of the QR code to pair your device with the app. Remove the seat, put the Troja Bike tracker in your bike frame and lock the device with your app.
Troja Bike even allows you to track your children on the way to school, or it gives you the possibility to see where your loved ones currently are. You can also manage several bikes with one app. In order to use the Troja Bike device with another bike, just unlock it, put it into the new bike and lock it again. You can take a picture of your bike, enter your serial number, give it a name and much more. Even if you leave your bike unattended only for a moment, simply activate the motion sensor and you will get an alert whenever your bike is being moved. Troja Bike is the only real solution for you to always know the whereabouts of your bike. We already have the proven technology and now we need your help to make it fit in a bicycle frame. Stop worrying. Enjoy your bike with Troja protection. We need your help to make this idea a reality. We have the perfect solution to protect anyone's bike from being stolen. Troja Bike. We will protect your bike.
When thieves come to steal your bike in the middle of the night, they have a massive tactical advantage because you're fast asleep. Locks are all well and good, but they have time to get through them.
The answer is Bike Mine, the world's loudest alarm. When tripped by a thief, Bike Mine detonates a 150 decibel blast of sound, a quick, safe and reliable way to protect your bicycle, motorbike, boat or jet ski, or anything else that's valuable. Bike Mine is simple. It comprises a length of titanium wire, a spring-loaded trap and a 150 decibel detonator. It can be attached quickly to protect almost any personal possession you store outside or in a garage or shed. Its robust steel construction is covered in a rubber skin to protect your property. Bike Mine is safe because the detonators are self-contained as well as legal to own and use. Bike Mine is reliable because there are no batteries to run down and only one moving part. I've had things stolen from me, and if the same thing has happened to you, you'll know what a horrible experience it is. It's the reason that I developed the Bike Mine, and it's the reason that I'd very much like you to support this Kickstarter campaign.
This is John. Like 63% of all bicycle users, John had his bicycle stolen, and it keeps happening.
Not again!
Bicycle locks today are really old-fashioned. They're heavy, poorly designed, and have terrible value for money. Imagine John could take out his smartphone and locate his bicycle while the thief is on the run. We have invented the first GPS-tracked, siren-alarmed, sensor-enabled bicycle lock. Best of all, there's no key. that is fully remote controlled with your smartphone. So, how does it work? With Lock8, John can secure his bicycle easily with a swipe of his finger on the app. Or he can simply walk away to activate the alarm with or without the cable. Now, John's bike is safe. When a thief tries to tamper with the lock, it will trigger a painfully loud alarm since the cable is wired. And you immediately receive a push notification on your mobile phone, which allows you to react quickly. If he attempts to hammer it off, or if he uses a saw, the vibration sensor will also trigger the alarm. Freezing Lock8 or attempting to melt it will be useless since the device also has a thermometer, which will trigger the alarm in case of an abrupt change in temperature. With the community alarm feature, you can add other people so that they also receive the push notification in case you're away. You can locate, share, borrow, and lend bikes. With Lock8, you can send an electronic key to your friends on Facebook and allow them to use your bike anywhere, anytime.
So now that you've seen Lock8, I'm sure you're wondering how we came up with this idea.
It all happened last year when Daniel's My Bicycle got stolen, so we decided to develop a smartphone-connected product for bicycle security.
And now that the prototypes are finished, we're ready to go into production. But for that, we need your help.
We'd really appreciate if you pre-ordered the Lock8 now and joined our community. Thanks.
Thank you.